Kashif and I'm currently working as a blockchain developer here at TekRevol. So what we do here at TekRevol is that we offer our blockchain-based services and products to our clients. So we try to onboard them into the new wave of Web3 based applications and products. So what we try to do is we come up with solutions for our clients which require either blockchain-based solutions or DeFi solutions, any in general. So whether it be our old clients or our new clients, so basically we try to come up with solutions that help them cater to their needs on chain. So my role as a blockchain developer here is to handle the design, development and delivery of blockchain-based solutions, whether it be a DeFi protocol, a stable coin or a simple basic dApp. So what we try to do is we try to gather the client's requirements and we have them analyzed. So whether it be a simple thing like a wallet, a smart contract development, best practices to follow in smart contract development and deployments as well. We also consider a lot of security practices because we obviously don't want our valuable client to have their protocol or have their dApp hacked in any case. If we talk about the applications of blockchains, there are hundreds of applications in the current blockchain space. So some of the most famous ones can be DeFi protocols, they can be central bank digital currencies, we can have loans, we can have lending protocols, we can have NFT collections. We can do a lot of things based on the business and the requirements that a client has for us. So we can come up with solutions like reward based systems like the Starbucks Odyssey program, which helps users of an app to earn rewards on chain. So talking about the major challenges in the blockchain space is definitely I would definitely consider the regulations of different countries and different areas around the globe to be major challenges, because if we try to take a case study of a client based in US, we will have to comply with a lot of the regulations that are in place in the US, because Web3 in general is considered open and based on trust. So we have to consider a lot of regulations in order to create a sample solution for our clients. I see the future of Web3 very bright because we are seeing in this current bear market that a lot of the bad projects are dying down and better projects like some DeFi protocols or like Uniswap etc. are really blossoming in this bear market because they have great utility and they have great communities as well. So it's exciting to see new projects and new protocols coming up. We are seeing a lot of cross-chain interoperability protocols coming up like Chainlink, we have the Cosmos network, so it's really exciting to see what the future holds for us. And we are also seeing a lot of real-world tokenization, like real-world assets are being brought to on-chain assets. We have 5 digital assets for them as well. So it's really great to see the tokenization of real-world assets and all of these lending and borrowing protocols as well, because trading in general involves a lot of hassle which these automated market makers and blockchain really takes it away. They have really automated our trading practices. We can interact with a basic smart contract and we don't really need a third party intermediary for any transaction, and transactions also go through in a matter of seconds. Let's talk about dApp architectures, how they differ from traditional Web2 based applications. So let's take an example of a Web2 application. It basically has a front-end UI integrated with the DB and other services. So there's nothing wrong with that, but in Web3 we really try to push the narrative of decentralization, because if let's say a company like Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, everything, and they decide to ban you from their services, so you automatically get banned from all of those services if you have violated any of their terms and conditions. So in Web3 we have all of our data synced on chain through our wallet. So our wallet basically becomes our identity. Like Web2 you would go ahead and sign up, create your account. In Web3 all of that goes into your wallet, and let's say if any particular Web3 dApp or Web3 company decides to ban you or take away your data, they simply can't. You can just go to another similar site, like for example there's an NFT marketplace called OpenSea. If OpenSea decides to ban your NFT collection or your data, you can go to another third-party website like TekRevol. You will have all your data linked on chain. So that's the basically power of Web3. And if we talk about the Web3 architecture in general, so in Web3 it's quite similar to Web2, but you can have a front-end UI, then you have your wallet that acts as your identity and management, then you have your UI integrated with backend services, whether it be in Python, whether it be in JavaScript, then those services talk with your deployed smart contract, which is deployed onto the blockchain. And we also have other services for fetching and querying data from the blockchain as well. This isn't really strictly forbidden that you can't have a database in our dApp. It basically depends on your requirements, whether you want a database or not. We can have oracles, we can have databases, we can have a lot of things in general, but a smart contract is the main part which allows the decentralized part to go on with your Web3 dApp. That's what basically makes it a Web3 dApp, because your smart contract has been deployed on chain and the chain is decentralized, as we all know. So that's basically a small high level introduction to Web3 dApps and the architecture.